did you have a certain question that maybe I might know the answer to?
No, I'm just looking forward to trying to see where I need to start. Had them been interested in getting the blitz. So I just want to see if that's a good place to just start from with the blitz. I already have my CPC through, matter of fact, the blitz through you guys as well. But since
Did you do a course?
Yeah, I did y'all blitz course.
But not like a full course.
Not the full course. I actually went to school back in like 2013, dropped it. I had my mother passed, so I refocused in 2020. She passed. So right after that, I heavily got into it, study, and said, and that's when I took y'all course to refresh myself and passed it with no problem at all. So now I'm like, I want another certificate. Where do I start at?
So you're going for your CRC?
Yes.
Okay. The best thing when you get to do the blitz, you do the time practice exams, you'll know by the score if you need to go back and do a full course. Because some people are on the fence. They're like, I got my CPC. I already learned ICD. Although ICD is a smaller portion for that CPC exam, right?
Yeah.
But the time practice exams will tell you. I can't speak for AAPC's exams or other people's, but I know ours. And we've been told many times that our exams are harder than the real exams. So if you're passing ours in a timed fashion, I can't stress that enough. You have to time yourself so you feel the pressure of what it's like on the real exam. Because you're not doing homework. You're not just answering it to see if you can get it. You're now wanting to, it's like a typing test, right?
Yeah.
You could be super slow and get every letter. Yeah. But that's not going to be a very
it's the time. Yeah.
Typist. So it's a balance between speed and accuracy. So by doing a timed practice exam, and you get to practice the timing strategies, like in part of the Bat Cave, we have bonus videos on how to do process of elimination, PO key for multiple choice exams. The psychology of taking the exams is understanding they're not really trying to trick you.
Correct.
They are trying to give you challenging wrong answers.
And is this all ICD-10 when it comes to CRC?
No, the code set is ICD-10, but there's issues around what is HCC? How does it work? Because in traditional outpatient coding, what drives reimbursement is procedure coding, CPT coding.
That's what I focus on now at my job.
Yeah. For inpatient coding and now risk adjustment coding for the outpatient world, what drives the reimbursement is the diagnoses.
Okay, yeah.
So that's what makes it very different. And it's very different for the outpatient world, but they're realizing that it actually is a cost savings. So a lot of insurance companies are liking that model. So if you have parents who are on Medicare, they have a choice, traditional Medicare or Advantage. Advantage is what they will use the risk adjustment models for. So you as a risk adjustment coder are looking at the diagnoses for either a 6-month period or a whole year, but you're not just doing one encounter, which is what we typically learn as we're doing medical coding. So you're looking at everything, and you're especially looking for those chronic diseases because that gets the physician more money. But yeah, do those time practice exams. And if you're passing, great, you don't need the full course. But if you find that you're struggling with it, then consider maybe doing a full course.
Looking for medical coding, medical billing, and risk adjustment education? Learn more at cco.us.